Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find hidden messages or unseen direct messages on Instagram. Alright, you can find the hidden message. Just click on the message icon in the top right. So you can find three types: primary, general, and request. So just the request. You can find hidden messages here, and comes the request message here. Right, you have to confirm the message and can move it to primary or general so that it's no longer hidden. And I'm not here, and sorry, so I can't give an example directly. I hope this information was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. So thank you so much for watching.